Hello, kids! Today we have a beautiful story called The Three Tradesmen. Once upon a time, in a small village, there were three friends, a carpenter, a tailor, and a goldsmith. One night, while traveling through a forest, they took turns to stay awake. The carpenter made a wooden doll, the tailor stitched clothes, and the goldsmith added beautiful jewelry. Suddenly, the doll came to life, but the friends started arguing. Who created her? They went to a wise man. He said, "The carpenter made her body, the tailor gave her clothes, but the goldsmith made her a bride, so she belongs to the goldsmith." The friends understood and stayed happy forever. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.